will talk about how can you change your name on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here in this sign here, front of your name, and you come to next step here. Then you click here on your name here. So then here can you change your name. So just here add your name here. So when you add your name, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to save with you here, like you see. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like